guys, it's your girl Centric and welcome back to my channel. And today we're back with a little DIY little project, you know, little something. So we're gonna be distressing mom jeans. I found a whole bunch at Goodwill. They were like $3.99, and I just want to give it like a rough distress look because I just love that. So we're gonna go outside. It feels good, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little distressing. Let's get it. Okay, so these are the pants we're going to be finessing, and I just love them. And I'm just going to add holes all over them. So the first thing you're going to need is, of course, your pants, sandpaper, seam ripper, scissors, a cardboard, and something to cut with. I'm using the cardboard just to put it in between my pants, so when I cut, I'm not like cutting also in the back. And you just want to use your rollerblade or whatever you can use to cut, and just make straight lines. And make sure you put the pocket to the side, because you definitely don't want to cut it. So that's the most important thing. Step one is move the pocket to the side. And you're just gonna make just different cuts. You can make different sizes, and I did like 4 of them. And you're gonna take your sandpaper and your seam ripper. First, you're just gonna use the sandpaper just to roughen it up. You know, you want to start seeing the white thread, and you're gonna use your seam ripper to help you pick out the white thread. And the goal is to just pick it through without like breaking it. But if they're breaking at first, that's okay. Just get them out the way so you can start like a little straight line without breaking them. Yeah. Okay, and this is how they look. And you're just gonna repeat the same process all over the pants. You know, as you can see, I made different size cut, different length, I guess. And you're just gonna use the sandpaper and just, you know, just sand it as hard as you can, as much as you can, just to get the white thread to show and the distressed look to pop through. See, I'm just gonna do this all over. And also use your seam ripper, and as you can see, I'm just pulling the white thread, and that's what's gonna make it look distressed and just gonna make it look nice. So just try to get the white thread without breaking it. And yes, you're gonna do this all over your pants. Okay, so now you're just gonna throw them in the washing machine, and this is how it looks before, and this is how it turned out. Super simple and easy. Yes, it takes a long time, but it's definitely worth it, and you can save a lot of money just by making your own distressed jeans. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep these videos coming. And you know what? Don't forget to check out my website. I just dropped my clothing brand called Retilize, which means repurpose and reuse in French. You know, that's what I'm all about. Just recycling shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, check that out, because I'll be dropping items every so often. And just, you know, follow me and check me out. I'll see you next time. Peace.